Today in this video we will learn how to do differentiation within the MATLAB platform. So as we know that differentiation is done on any function with respect to some variable. So in order to get any variable in MATLAB, we must have to use command that is sims x, or you can choose any other alphabet as well for variable declaration. So we have one variable x, then after the declaration of variable we have one function that is func is equal to x raised to the power 3 plus 6 multiply with x plus 10. So in MATLAB, as we know that x cube is written like this, 6x must be like this, and plus 10 like this. It is the format especially for MATLAB. Then if you want to see that either it is okay or it is correct, you must have to click this button that is run button. Okay, also give it a name that is okay, so we can see that x raised to the power 3 plus 6x plus 10 is now assigned to the whole equation is assigned to the variable func. In order to write it some bit well or in good format, write pretty will turn it into a good format. Like you can see, now you can see that x cube plus 6x plus 10 is written in a better format than the previous. Now you can do differentiation with this diff command. The MATLAB is offering this command. That is it's a default command, or you can say it is built-in command of MATLAB for differentiation. So for it, first write func and then the variable, and see that either we are getting right answer or not. So save and run. So you can see that we are getting, we are getting the right answer. Then again pretty and answer. So again click it, and now you can see that we just got a better format. So it's enough for today. Thanks for watching.